up, my favorite people? I got a chock full of entertainment news for you today, so get ready for this week's top 5. Number 5. Harry Potter fans really got the biggest surprise this week when the announcement of a sequel to J.K. Rowling's 7-novel series was announced. According to an announcement on Pottermore, the script for J.K. Rowling's upcoming stage play Harry Potter and the Cursed Child will be available in book form later this year. "This is wicked good news!" exclaimed every Potter fan ever. Number 4. You may or may not have heard of Will Smith's upcoming movie Collateral Beauty, but you've definitely heard of its release date partner in crime, Rogue One: A Star Wars Story. That's right, Collateral Beauty will be up against a monster Star Wars movie on December 16th, as New Line Cinema and Warner Brothers Pictures puts it, to serve as counter-programming to the Star Wars flick. Yikes. Number 3, it's crossover heaven in the Marvel TV universe, and we got our first look at Supergirl's appearance in The Flash with this behind-the-scenes snap posted by the Flash star Grant Gustin on his Instagram feed. Nice pairing! CBS also confirmed The Flash will appear in Supergirl next month. Number 2, Ryan Reynolds is out promoting his new movie Deadpool, which is a dream come true for everyone, but it appears Ryan already has his eye on a follow-up prize, making an X-Force movie. In an interview with Film Starts, he says, "In the future, I think if we're doing a bunch more Deadpool movies, we're going to really explore the X-Men a lot, and maybe X-Force. X-Force is my priority. I really want to get that in." All kinds of yes. And number 1, Suicide Squad star Margot Robbie is out giving tattoos in real life, much like her Harley Quinn counterpart in the upcoming movie. Only she's not that great. During her appearance on Late Show with Stephen Colbert, she reveals she gave 26 of her cast and crewmates on the movie a tattoo. Suicide Squad releases this summer. And those are your top 5 biggest stories out of Hollywood this week. Be sure to watch the rest of this week's Daily Fix episodes for more news, and see you next week, my favorite people in the universe.